Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning for the honorable lecturers of IKIP Siliwangi and respected audience. Today I will present about the researcher's proposal from Agung Muhammad, Yuli Herman, and Rian Permata, that affiliation from University Mahaputra Muhammad Yamin, with the title is The Impact of Video Games Towards Student Speaking Ability. And before I start the presentation, maybe I will introduce myself first. My name is Ayumi Putri Octavia with my student ID 24220001. And maybe I will explain the researcher's problem, and then after that I will explain the researcher's purpose, and then researcher's question, and for the last one maybe I will explain the researcher's design by including the population and sample, data collection and data analysis. For the first slide is I will explain the researcher's problem. In Indonesian, English speaking ability in the junior high school students remains relatively low. That there are several classrooms that teachers only instruct the students to focus more on grammar and written exam rather than the speaking practice. That makes the student low opportunity to communicating English well. And interestingly, the researchers found that the students regularly play video games involving English interaction. Like there are many students communicate with the other players by using English and following the instruction, the game also by using English. And there are many more, like the student understand what the game says, and that makes the researchers interested about these study cases, that the impact of video games on student speaking ability, especially at junior high school level, is still underexplored. So that makes the researchers have a purpose. And for the first one is to explore the impact of video games on student English speaking ability, and the second one to understand students' perception of video games in developing their speaking skills, and to identify the types of video games that contribute to speaking improvement, and for the last one to provide insight into informal digital learning in junior high school context. Okay, there are three researchers' questions. First one is, do video games influence students' English speaking ability? And the second one is, what type of video games contribute to speaking improvement? And for the last one is, how do students perceive the role of video games in their speaking development? And the researcher design that they use is descriptive qualitative for the case study. The case study design is more focused on investigation within a specific educational context. And the population is there are 368 students that they are researched in SMP Negeri 2 Kota Solo during the 2022-23 into 2024 academic year, that the school has 11 classes by name after Indonesian national figures. But the sample that researchers take or size is only 30 students who was considered appropriate for qualitative study. And for the data collection, the researchers use 3 techniques. For the first one is individual open-ended interviews conducted in English, held at school during non-instructional time, and audio recorded and transcribed. And for the second technique is classroom observation, that the researchers only focus on students' participation in speaking activities. And the last technique is document analysis, by using student English report cards to confirm speaking proficiency. And for the last one is data analysis. The data analysis, the research use only 3 main steps. There are data reduction, data display, and conclusion drawing. For the data reduction, is interview transcript were read closely and relevant excerpts were selected based on their connection to the 3 research indicators. And for the data display, selected responses were organized into thematic categories and presented narratively for clarity. And for the conclusion drawing, patterns and relationships across the student responses were identified, allowing the researchers to answer the research question based on recurring theme. And that's all for me for the explanation about the researcher's proposal. And I hope this video will explain what the researchers have found from their research in the SMP Negeri 2 Kota Solo. And thank you.